Okay, wait. So hold on this, because I'll go scare them over
right.
that way, and then
I
when
on
they're
the
over there,
video?
and then when they're over there, I'll open the gate and I'll get them out.
All right, are you gonna herd them?
Really, I am hurting.
Oh, they're coming, Justin. Open it up. They know it. All right, move out of the way.
Okay, we have goat action here now. Okay, Brandon's gonna herd
Here,
the goats
step back.
out of our villa.
Here they go. Here they go. Here they
we
go. There they come.
Go goats!
Holy sh! This is our villa in Greece.
This is how we do it, Greek style. This is what we're eating. Look at that fatty bringing up the rear. Go on, fatty!
Did you get it? Did you get it with mine?
Yeah.
Yes, that is your goat herder.